This is how to add a property in Google Search Console. From your Search Console dashboard, go to Add Property, click Add Property, and choose a property you want to add. You want to add a domain or URL prefix. If you want all URLs across your domain and subdomain, choose domain as property type, or if you want just a specific URL, then choose URL prefix. So we'll add domain and URL prefix. So let's say webshanks.org and click continue. Then you can verify your domain ownership on your domain register. So I'll just click back. Let's go to URL prefix. So be sure you have HTTPS colon double forward slash, and let's say hello world, and just click continue to add. Then you can start verifying the ownership, and you can go back to search property, and your properties have been added. So this is how to add a property in Google Search Console.